In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Notion. Integrating these two platforms can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing seamless communication and project management. Let's walk through the process step by step to get you connected in no time. First, let's head over to Slack. You can do this by opening your browser and navigating to the Slack app. Once you're there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the three dots icon, which is typically located near the bottom of this menu. Clicking on these dots will expand a list of additional options. Next, from the expanded menu, you'll want to select Tools. This is where you'll find various integrations and utilities that can enhance your Slack experience. After clicking on Tools, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to Slack's app directory, where you can search for and add various apps to your workspace. Now, in the app directory, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in Notion here. Slack will then display the Notion app among the search results. Click on the Notion app to proceed. This will take you to the apps page, where you'll find more information about what the integration can do. Here, you'll see a button that says Add to Slack. Click on this button to begin the integration process. Once you click Add to Slack, you'll be prompted to authorize the integration. This step is crucial as it allows Notion to connect with your Slack workspace securely. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the integration. Typically, this involves signing into your Notion account and granting the necessary permissions for Slack to access certain features within Notion. After successfully authorizing the integration, you'll be all set. The Notion app will be added to your Slack workspace, and you can start using it right away. With this integration, you can now send Notion pages to Slack channels, receive updates in Slack about changes in your Notion workspace, and more. This integration helps streamline your workflow, making it easier to collaborate with your team and keep track of important tasks and projects. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Slack with Notion. If you encounter any issues during this process, make sure both your Slack and Notion applications are updated to the latest versions, as this can often resolve common glitches. Enjoy the enhanced productivity and seamless communication that this integration brings to your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating!